In this serene oasis, I discovered a little secret that brings a burst of color to my look. Meet Beety Crush. This isn't just an lip tint, it's a celebration of nature's rich shades crafted from simple, healthy ingredients right from your kitchen. And the best part, it's completely chemical free. Get ready to embrace Beety Crush that not only brightens your lips but also adds a touch of natural elegance to your day. Let's dive into the heart of our lip tint, starting with the wonderful almond oil. Known for its incredible moisturizing properties, this oil is perfect for keeping your lips soft and supple. Next, we are adding apricot oil to ensure that your lips stay moisturized without any greasy residue. Next, the delightful coconut oil. It's not only hydrate but also protect your lips from environmental stresses. Plus, its naturally sweet aroma adds a little treat to your application. Next up is the star of the show, beetroot powder. This natural ingredient gives our tint its stunning burgundy shade and is rich in antioxidants that help maintain your lips' youthful glow. Beetroot has natural pigments that are perfect for achieving that rich, vibrant color without any harsh chemicals. Now, let's sprinkle in some cocoa powder to complete our beautiful blend. We add a touch of cocoa powder for richness and depth. Also, the delightful chocolatey scent adds a special touch to the overall experience, making application feel like a treat. And there you have it, the fabulous lineup of all natural ingredients that make Beety Crush your go-to lip tint. Now come on, let's get to the exciting part. Start by adding 1 teaspoon almond oil. Then add 1 teaspoon apricot oil, followed by 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Next up, 1 tablespoon beetroot powder and 1 teaspoon cocoa powder. Now mix well until everything is combined into a smooth, creamy mixture. If you desire a deeper shade, don't hesitate to add that extra half teaspoon of beetroot powder, adjusting until you reach your perfect color. Once mixed, it's time to filter the mixture to get a smooth consistency. Use a muslin cloth or a tea bag as a filter. Pour the blend through the cloth. Gently squeeze to extract every drop of that beautiful tint. transfer your gorgeous tint into a small, clean container or a lip balm tube for easy application. And voila! Your Beety Crush lip tint is ready to shine. I love how this tint gives the lips a healthy, radiant glow. It's the perfect blend of color and nourishment that feels like a little luxury. This color is such a mood, whether going for a casual day out or a night on the town. Beety Crush gives the perfect pop of color that complements any look. Now that you have seen how easy and fun it is to make your very own Beety Crush lip tint, I encourage you to dive into the world of DIY beauty. Not only will you have the satisfaction of crafting a product that's uniquely yours, but you'll also embrace a chemical-free alternative that nourishes your lips with nature's best ingredients. Until we meet next time, take care and stay radiant.